In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack app. We'll walk you through the basic setup, starting from your Slack workspace and ending with a brand new app created in Slack's developer platform. Even if this is your first time working with Slack apps, just follow along step by step and you'll be fine. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to create the app. Along the top of the Slack interface, look for the admin area or the menu where your workspace tools are grouped. From there, you'll see an option related to administration. Click on that to open the admin controls and settings for your workspace. Within this admin section, look for the option called Apps and Workflows. This is where Slack groups everything related to apps, integrations, and automations. Go ahead and click on Apps and Workflows, and this will take you to a page that lists the apps you already have installed, as well as options to manage them. On this page, you should see a button or link labeled Build. This is the entry point to creating your own custom app, rather than just installing existing ones from the Slack app directory. Click on Build, and Slack will redirect you to the Slack API website, which is the main hub for developers. Once you're on the Slack API page, look for the button that says Create New App. Click that to start the app creation process. Slack will now ask you how you want to create your app, and you'll typically see two choices: creating it from scratch or creating it from a manifest. For this walkthrough, choose the option that fits your needs, but most beginners start from scratch so they can configure everything step by step. Next, you'll be asked to type in an app name. Choose a clear, descriptive name so that people in your workspace can easily recognize what the app is for. You could change it later, but it's helpful to pick something meaningful from the start. After naming your app, you'll see a field to select a workspace. Click on Select a Workspace, then pick the workspace where you want this app to live. Make sure you have the right permissions in that workspace, otherwise the app creation might be blocked. Finally, click on the button to create the app and then follow the on-screen prompts. Slack will guide you through additional configuration like setting permissions, adding features, and installing the app to your workspace. Once those steps are complete, you'll have your foundation ready and can start customizing your Slack app's behavior and functionality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.